Everyone, class 5th GK, chapter 41, Think and Solve. So, dear student, in this chapter, IQ type question is there. So, tick the correct option is there. First number, Larry wrote ferry. So, मिक्स्ड शब्द मैच करने वाले वर्ड्स हमें सर्च करने हैं इसमें. So, is the water. सेकंड में आपका होगा डिज़ाइन पे है, आपको कंप्लीट डिज़ाइन देखना है तो उसमें आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन होगा आंसर. थर्ड नंबर, स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ लाइन. रवि इज 6 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट and 12th from the right. How many students are there in the line? So is the 17. Fourth, 8 1 C 12 blank G 34 I 45. So E 32. How many squares are there in the figures? Is the 10. Sixth number, which is the following options show the reflection of image over the dotted line? Is the first option. If yesterday was Friday, when will Sunday occurs? Tomorrow. Write the smallest digit is smallest four-digit number greater than 3000, all with different digit. So is the answer is 3012. Tom is the son of Ajay and Tom is 15-year-old. Ajay is 3 times older than Tom. So how old was Ajay when Tom was born? So is 30. 10th number इसमें आपका ऑप्शन होगा फिफ्थ नंबर. फिफ्थ होगा आंसर इसका. So there is the IQ level question is there. So our next chapter is chapter number 43, model test paper 2. So in this chapter is the chapter in this lesson question based from chapter 22 to 41. So name the following the largest river basin on the world. Amazon basin. And highest dam in India, Tari Dam, Uttarakhand. The part of body that makes blood, bone marrow. The tallest statue of the world, Statue of Unity. The yoga posture also known as hand to feet pose, Padhastasan. B number, tick the correct option. Haldia pot is located in Mindipur, West Bengal. The hottest and brightest planet of the solar system is Venus. An event in which an athlete jumps over fences and water is steeplechase. An online marketplace for various apps and games for Windows 10 user is Microsoft Store. In fifth number, water. C number, identify the name them. The art from the Wali tribe, Maharashtra, Wali painting. Second number, the longest parrot in the world, Hyacinth Macau. Third number, the common place of pilgrims of Christianity, Judaism and Islam located in Israel, Jerusalem. D number, fill in the blanks. The Sardar Patel National Unity Award is the highest civilian award in the field of contribution of the unity and integrity of India. सेकंड नंबर में होगा आपका द परमवीर चक्र इज द इंडियाज हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री डेकोरेशन प्रेजेंटेड फॉर डिस्प्लेइंग डिस्टिंग्विश एक्ट ऑफ ब्रेवरी एंड करेज ड्यूरिंग वॉर टाइम. थर्ड नंबर में होगा सेंचुरी ऑफ आवर लेडी ऑफ लॉर्ड्स इज अ मेजर क्रिश्चियन प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिम्स फेमस फ्रॉम इट्स हीलिंग वाटर इन फ्रांस. फोर्थ नंबर में होगा आपका चित्रनंदन दास इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज देशबंधु. फिफ्थ नंबर, द फ्रूट ऑफ इंडियन gooseberry plant helps to boost immunity, hepatitis and digestion. E number, write E true and false. Sardar Patel Stadium is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. True. Geoffrey Chaucer is popularly known as the father of English poetry. True. Edward Jenner discovered the germs causes disease. False. The bark of cinnamon plant is used to treat bronchitis and asthma. True. Microsoft Edge is the default web browser in Windows 10. True. Answer the following question. Who is popularly known as Shahid-e-Azam? Bhagat Singh. What is the color part of the eye called? Iris. Which city is popularly known as the Sandalwood City? Mysore. Which bird has a bag of skin under its long beak to store food? Pelican. Who is the author and the composer of National Anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. फिर जी नंबर है आपका मैच द पिक्चर्स ऑफ देयर करेक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो फर्स्ट नंबर ए आर रहमान. इसमें आपका सी नंबर होगा द इंडियन म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हु वन द 2 ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स. बी नंबर दादा भाई नरोजी इज द ए नंबर पॉपुलरली नोन एज द ग्रैंड ओल्ड मैन ऑफ इंडिया. एंड थर्ड नंबर अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग. इसमें आपका बी नंबर होगा डिस्कवर्ड पेंसिलिन एंड एंटीबायोटिक दैट्स किल पाइथोजेंस. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका सिलेबस ख़त्म हो चुका है. आपके एनुअल एग्ज़ाम में ओनली एनुअल पोर्शन आएगा. एनुअल पोर्शन सिलेबस जो भी होगा आपको व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर दिया जाएगा. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ फिल योर बुक एंड प्रिपेयर योर लेसन And all the best. Thank you and have a nice day.